That's right. We made it to Colorado Truck Madness, eh? Ahorita, guys, so the truck, Russell's still messing with the tune, so we're gonna do a little test hit right here. Cobra's got the go ahead by the track official. We're gonna test it out. Vamos a poner el fracaso a la mamalona. Vamos a agarrar otros 100,000 horsepower.
A la vez. Güey, si le pones de michelada de chapulín, jala más, güey. Se levanta de enfrente.
Ay, güey.
Garantizado.
¿No le quieres hacer un rap de chapulín? ¡Ajú!
Razo, güey, anda en Colorado.
¿Razo anda en Colorado el Razo? ¿Anda en Colorado Razo? Ese pompa que trae billetes para gastar. Nada más que ya le dije, si miro que cuesta unos 2,000 bolas, voy a perder adrede.
Ay, güey.
Como que le voy a apostar.
We're gonna do the last revision on the tune, guys. The truck's gonna be running. Luego ya le va a ajustar Russell according to the altitude out here in Colorado.
¿Cómo ves, ya?
Bien bonito, ahí va a quedar bonito.
El placazón.
Malón, enfrente cómo quedó. A ver, andamos bien desvelados, no me pases la cara, andamos bien desvelados.
¿Está bien, no?
Ya está lleno, güey.
I'm gonna go with you and then I'm gonna get off.
Okay.
How'd you feel it?
Powerful!
Did it ramp fast or was it like still kind of progressive?
Se sentía como que iba.
Hey, for the bump, just hold it. La troca sola va a estar.
Yeah, that's right. Then I tapped it first y se movió. Y luego ya I just held it.
Yeah, because you have to move like a couple inches. So I just said go, but you won't hold it too long. Yeah, si quieres, turn it off, and I'm gonna do a 5 boosts more, like on a.
Woo! Turn it up!
How's it feel?
This motherfucker, it feels good, güey. Woo!
It's fun, but it works.
Mira. A ver, I was born for this, son. I was born for this.
Mira, estaba la botella cerrada, güey.
La cerré ahorita yo.
Oh.
Ah, vale, estoy todo, vale. Apagué el botón, la cerré y la puse en two-wheel drive.
Ahorita, ¿qué pasa con Scramble, pap?
Gracias, que diga, pues, sí, hombre. ¿No se puede mover eso o qué?
Necesitamos que salir al tope.
Necesitamos que hacer esto, el de atrás que ahorita iba patinando.
Es que no hay goma, güey. Es que no hay
Pero
goma.
sí iba avanzando un poquito.
Ahí, ¿cuántos pounds eran de boost?
About 18, 20. I'm
Put
gonna
it-
add 5 more on the top end.
Put it at 30.
Ay, güey. La verga. La verga.
Verga, aventó
Tiró,
como 5 piedras.
Casi me pegaba una.
Chica, me fue, güey.
¿Te pegó?
Yeah. Me uno aquí, ¿no? ¡Pum! Y otro aquí, así. It skipped like a gear or something.
Se va así.
No trae. So it took off good.
Yeah.
I want to see, I think second or third we can hit a little bit more boost in it. So
¿Qué tal?
Two-wheel drive.
it's good.
Sí, güey.
Sí, está bien.
Un poquito más en el pico acá.
Ay, güey. Ay, güey.
Es un piquetito, poquito, pa.
Guys, this truck is feeling powerful. Look at that. King Cobra over here spin poison, guys. Look at the turbo, look at the turbo. The turbo's still going, look at that. Yeah. Nah, it's gonna be good, guys. Big shout out to Velocity. They stayed up all night working on this truck so we could get it to this show. And tomorrow is the actual show here. And then Sunday is gonna be all the racing events and everything else. Big shout out to all these guys because they took the drive for this truck to be out here too. Everybody putting in work. Ahora sí ya traen los placazos de Project Tour. ¿Cómo se ve, Yar? ¿Cómo se fue?
Se fue bonita.
¿Se va a tratar con la Jeep o qué?
Ay, güey.
¿Eh?
Abajo sí me gustaría poquito más, que salga más brava de abajo. Porque
Yeah.
acá sí se va bien recio abajo, pero como de ahí para allá se va mucho
Como
más
que le
recio.
prende más.
Sí.
Sí. Pero pues ahorita son
¿Ya?
2 pases que le hemos dado en la troca.
Ya, yo sé.
Ahorita Morso le va a poner ahí
Ahorita,
Magic
ahorita.
Touch. And we go full send. That was only 10 pounds of boost, guys.
Ay, güey.
Eh? Third hit. We're turning it up.
Good boy.
Way better.
Like from the takeoff. Oh, yeah.
Sí, güey, everything.
Ahora sí, se fue bonita.
¿Lo chingaste?
Cat eyes.
No mames, güey, you're right.
Cat eyes. Alright guys, we're gonna attempt to do a Fast and the Furious scene where we go around the barrel, come back, and whoever passes the barrel wins. It's gonna be me versus Ishmael on the burnout trucks. So we're gonna take off from here, go do a turn over there, drift around the barrel, and then come back over here. And whoever passes that barrel right there will be the winner of the racing on the
Olympics,
burnout
a la
trucks.
verga.
time. I took him this time. I took him. He seen that drift before that I hit though? You seen that though?
Boy, I almost hit you.
I think go check that out. I hit that shit. Hey, what happened? What you go all the way? So you go, oh.
No, hey, I ain't gonna say nothing. He got me.
You lose some, you win some, you lose some. But guess what? This time you lost one, boy.
No, that's it.
Nah,
That's it. He won. Fair square. My shit.
Hey, it was spinning the whole time until I got the hang of it.
Nah, my shit was spinning way out there. Way out
I got the
there.
hang of it. I got the hang of it though.
You lit off.
No, I didn't rev the highway. Me fui despacito y luego ya la agarré.
The thing is, it's burnout racing, so you're supposed to burn out as much as you can.
Oh, okay, no. You see, guys, this guy can take a fucking loss, man. Take a loss, bro. I beat you this time, right?
All right, let's do it again.
I got no 85, bro. I gotta get a haircut. No 85. Got no more tires for tomorrow's event. Fuck.
Guys, I beat him 3 times right now.
Yeah, you got me. But
3
tell me
times
how far?
consecutively.
How far? No, how far would you like a bumper, a light, or something?
Like a bumper.
It's a burnout truck with style. Look at it. You see it?
Nah, it's the power. The way you did that turn over there, boy, you lucky you got out the way, cause I was gonna.
That's cool.
I wasn't trying to. That's the thing.
Oh, fuck it. Call insurance. He hit me from the back.
Honest.